In the course, Philosophy of Human Conduct, all papers are to be written in APA format. A template has been created to help you with writing papers in APA format. The template is located in the Instructor Guidance section of Week 2. Before you begin anything, you need to download the template paper file to your computer. Save it to your computer, and then from your computer, open it. After you've opened the template, you'll notice that you'll need to change the title in the running head. To do this, just put the cursor somewhere in the running head area, left click, make changes to the title, and then when you're done, put the cursor somewhere else in the paper and click. On page 1, the title page, you'll also have to put the title again in this location. Insert your name here. And you'll notice that there are some instructions. Delete this in all blue text in your paper. Throughout the paper, there's some helpful hints in blue. After you've written your paper, you'll want to go through and delete the blue. While not all papers require an abstract, if you use an abstract, it begins on page 2. An abstract is actually written after you've written the entire paper because it's a summary of what you've written. In the abstract and in the abstract only, you'll notice that you do not indent the first line of the paragraph. For every other paragraph in the paper, you need to indent. Now for the next page, this is the beginning of what we call the content of the paper, the heart of the paper. If a set of instructions say that the paper is required to have at least 6 full pages of content, this is where content begins. The title page does not count. The abstract does not count. References do not count. That references page do not count. But this is the beginning of the heart of the paper. So you'll put the title again in this area, and you'll notice that we have some headings. The number of headings depends upon the way you write the paper and or the specifics of the instructions for the paper. You will always have a conclusion. The last part of the template is called references. All sources that are cited in the body of the paper must have the source listed in references. All listed sources and references must be cited in the body of the paper. Notice that we have the textbook Waller put here and in here, and this will show you the correct format for Waller. We also have an article as an example. Now when you go into the heart of the paper, the body of the paper, and you're citing, there are 2 formats of citation. First of all, if you've just written a paragraph about an idea in philosophy and it's from Waller, but the name Waller is not used in the actual narrative, then you would put Waller in parentheses in this format. However, if you're actually using Waller as part of the sentence, such as Waller states that, then you use this format. For this course, anytime you cite the textbook, you must include the page number, even if it is a paraphrase instead of a direct quote. This helps the reader to know what part of the book you were looking at when you were drawing this idea or this concept. In fact, really you should avoid using direct quotes as much as possible and paraphrase in your own words, but provide credit where the idea comes from. Hopefully as you write papers for the course Philosophy of Human Conduct, the template will be helpful. Thank you.